Hi guys, welcome back. In this lesson, we will be downloading and installing our IDE. And the IDE that we will be using is Visual Studio Code. So let's open up a new tab. And then in the search box, we will search for download Visual Studio Code. Okay, let's click on the first link. And then you'll be presented with the options to choose which operating system version you want. So we will take the 64-bit Windows version. Okay, so I'll cancel this because I already have mine installed. Okay, so once you have it, locate the install file and install Visual Studio Code. And then once you have done installing it, which is straightforward, we are now going to create our project folder. So let's open up File and then Documents, or whichever location you prefer to create the project folder. I'll just right click and select New Folder, and then I'll call the folder PySpark Quakes. Okay, and then once we have done that, the next thing that we need to do is we need to go back to Jupyter Notebook, and then if you have closed the tabs previously from running the grid plot, let us run it again. Okay, so as you can see, we have our dashboard displayed. So now the next thing that we need to do is we need to locate this file. So copy the path and then open up File Explorer again, and then copy and paste it over here, and then just remove the dashboard.html as well as the file portion, and just leave the C users and username portion, and then enter. So the dashboard.html file should be in here. So let's look for it. I just type in DAS, and then we have dashboard.html. So right click and then copy that file, and then let's open up our project folder, and then you paste the file in there. Okay, so that's all we want to do. Now we can close that File Explorer, and now the next thing that we need to do is we need to open up Visual Studio Code. So in the start menu, search for Visual Studio Code, and then I'll click on New Window. Okay, so once you have this, the first thing that we need to do is install the Python extension so that we can have the correct syntax highlighting when we write Python code. So click on Extensions and then search for Python. Okay, and this is the extension that we want to install. It's the linting, debugging, etc. So I already have mine installed, so just you should be presented with an install button. So just install that. Once you've installed that extension, click on the source file explorer and then click on open folder, and then in documents we double click our project folder that we created, and then click on select folder. So now our project folder will be open inside of Visual Studio Code. So now we can actually start to write the scripts for our data pipeline. So thanks a lot for tuning in. I'll see you guys in the next video.